guys, welcome back to my channel. We're in a little bit of a different setting. So everyone said that they wanted to see more vlog style videos, which I am here for because I'll be able to post more for you guys. So definitely think this will be a good thing. I'm at the gym right now. We're about to hit some arms and do some cardio, maybe some abs. I always say that. I've been saying that for 3 years. I don't do abs. Anyway, I'm in Ryan's car because he's using the truck to work on his, to stand on, to work on his turbo. So I am in the Hellcat. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go in there, crush this workout, and I'll catch back with you in a little bit. I ordered some new badges. This is not what I thought I ordered. I don't really know if I like these ones or not. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments. I don't know. I don't know if I like them. But anyway, I got those, and then I got new Power Stroke emblems. But I wanted to show you guys what this looked like. On the paint color, it looks so good. It is kind of hard to tell on camera, but look at that. It looks so good. So when I first picked my color, I wanted it to be yellow, and I wanted to do chrome with it. I'm not a huge fan of black wheels and black accents on light colors, which there's nothing wrong with it. I still enjoy it, but I definitely wanted to keep it like pretty girly, I guess. So all the accents are going to be chrome, and I picked a powder coat color to do my suspension. Pretty much everything's gonna be chrome and white. So I know I got a couple questions asking what other color I'm gonna do. The wheels are chrome and the suspension will be white. We got the old intake out, and we were starting to put the new one in. So this like slides through, and it's supposed to connect there, but it doesn't. We're gonna measure and order a hose to go right there. That sucks, but we'll have to finish when the hose gets here. So other than that, connecting this sensor was really simple. But yeah, we do need the rest of the hose obviously to connect this to there. All right, what is up, you guys? So Ryan and I, we did it. We filled up his truck bed, made it a pool, mostly for the 4th of July, but it's come in handy because it has been over 90 degrees every day. We have been chilling in here for a couple of days because it's been so hot. We used to do this when I was a kid. So I'm still waiting on my part to finish my intake on the 6.0. So I figure I'll just vlog a little bit and upload this and then catch back with you guys on the intake when it comes. It said it was supposed to come on today, Monday. Said it was supposed to come today. Did not show up. Now it says Wednesday. Me and Ryan are gonna chill out here for a little bit tonight and dump this water. I have to update you guys when we empty the truck bed because I feel like that's gonna be a fun time. You guys, before we end this video out, I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys a little bit about what is coming next for the truck. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, I did find a powder coat color for my suspension. It is going to be white. So I've been going back and forth between, let's try to get these in the sun. I am between metallic white, and I'm not sure if it'll pick up on camera. It just has like the tiniest little sparkle to it. And then this one, it is so hard to actually see the pearl in it, but it's pearlized violet. So I thought that would look pretty good under the blue. because it does have like a pink kind of purple blue pearl to it. So I do really like this one. When I went back to look for another white just to see if I found anything I liked a little bit more, kind of wanted like more of a sparkle, like a white sparkle, not silver, not chrome, but I don't know. So I'm gonna keep looking, but either way, the suspension will be white, and I definitely want it to have like a pearl or metallic kind of sparkly finish. That is what is going on with the suspension and powder coating. We are looking for a place to get both lifts powder coated, mine and Ryan's for the Tahoe. There's not a lot of places, you know, in Northeast Ohio, but I think we did find one about an hour away. So we're gonna call them tomorrow. Obviously the leaf springs and all of that are way too big for the oven that we did powder coat in. We can't fit them in there. So we're gonna have to take them somewhere. I really don't want to do all of the work, the body work and stuff to the bed. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. It would be so helpful. It is very difficult to find beds right now, and they are way overpriced, so let me know. So an update on some of the other smaller things. So I'm definitely gonna get a new grill. I'm thinking about the like 2005, 2007, whatever it was, grill. Definitely want to color match it with the blue, like to the rest of the truck. Also for headlights, I kind of want them to be color matched like Ryan has. I'm not 100% sure on that. Definitely what I am leaning towards. Okay, so I was kind of already talking about this in the beginning of the video. I am going with chrome wheels, and the tires are to be determined. They're not in stock, the ones I want, so we'll see what I end up going with. I do know the wheels will be chrome and not that. Like you guys saw, we got the new badges. I'm not sure if I like the international at the bottom, but it's also kind of cool, so I don't know. These are getting replaced, and this will come off probably. As far as paint color goes, I did decide on the blue. I love it. It turned out perfect. We are looking at an inflatable paint booth to set up in the driveway and paint the truck. We're not gonna paint in the garage. We are gonna figure out some fender flares. I think they're just gonna be the thin ones that I mentioned back in a few videos ago. So good news, our tubing for the intake did arrive and it is ready to go. So in the next video, we will finish that up and get everything attached and ready to go. I am hoping that tomorrow we can get the tune set up and ready and deleted off of the SCT one, and we will be able to remove the tune and put the Banks tuner in. So hopefully that is tomorrow's goal. And what else can we do? Obviously, like the iDash, we'll set all of that up, and I guess we'll go from there. Alright you guys, that is going to go ahead and conclude today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. We have a lot of stuff coming up still. Don't forget to tune into the next video where we finish installing the intake.